Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Juisha World. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? This is Bali vlog part 2. I know I've been late and caught up, but trust me, I have been traveling. I'm back from Thailand just few days ago and yet another amazing awesome trip. So चलिए हम conclude करते हैं हमारी Bali travel series को. This is part 2 of it and I'm on my way to one of the active volcanoes that is there in Bali. It's known as Mount Batur, Kintamani, और ये एक restaurant है which is known as the Kintamani Viewing Point, and यहाँ पे हम थे. It was such an amazing day. The weather was playing with us on this day. ये clouds के पीछे है Mount Batur. It was absolutely sunny and it started raining. But then I got lucky because it got cleared in no time, and there it was, clearly seen and visible. ये कैम में इतना क्लियरली नहीं दिख रहा है, बट if you're able to view the black part at the foot of the mountain, that is the lava. So last time जो erupt हुआ था, that is the dried up lava over there. And look at this, such stunning view of the restaurant, having such a great time of everything. So Bali ka weather is tricky. It may drizzle and rain anytime, so one has to be ready. But I'm absolutely in love with the lush greens here. I mean, if you ask me, Bali for me is nothing but relaxation retreat. It's all for mind, body, and soul, and it's an absolute heaven. If you want to be feeling at peace. And here we are at yet another sightseeing spot known as the Tegalalang Rice Terraces. Yes, this is the same place Rice Fields to Instagram pe chaya hua hai. Everybody wants a drone video from here. But honestly speaking, I mean, it is just a spot jahan pe rice is grown, and paddy is the main source of food for all the people in Bali. Well, it is, to be very honest, just an Instagrammable spot. If you want to do a to-do or something like that, then this is the place for it. I spent just roughly 15 minutes, over here. Bali is also very superb in retaining its local culture. I mean, the way they have maintained the architecture all across, is so amazing. It's so beautiful. और अब हम आ गए हैं सन एंड सैंड जिम्बारन बीच जहां बाली का एक पीसफुल साइट है, वहीं पे एक एडवेंचरस साइट भी है. दिस इज अ पैराडाइज फॉर ऑल वाटर स्पोर्ट्स एंड एक्टिविटीज दैट यू वांट टू डू. From banana boat rides to parasailing to jet skiing to snorkeling to scuba diving, you can do it all. But I've heard the biggest hit that is over here is the ocean walk. I totally missed it because मुझे unfortunately Bali में 4 दिन headaches हो रहे थे because of the weather. It was very hot and this trip was very hectic for me, and so I chose to miss it. But I've heard some rave reviews and I'm sure to be back and do it all. Well, it's OOTD time. Let me know how do you like my outfit. और आप में से कितनों को yellow color पसंद है, guys? Most of my life I've spent not wearing yellow, and now I'm just obsessed. Let me know if you feel that this color suits me. And now we are on our way to one of the most stunning sites, guys. I would recommend this for sure, 100%, because the scenery is something to die for. We're talking about the Uluwatu Temple, which is a Hindu temple perched on a cliff, and it is probably in the south of Kuta, open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Before entering the temple, they offer you an orange sarong जो आपको waist पे पहनना है. This is as a sign of respect and culture towards Siva Rudra. These are the views in the evening at around 5 p.m. and I was absolutely mesmerized. I have never seen such a top view, which is like a horizon where the sky and the endless ocean are meeting. I mean, look at this. Bali is definitely in the top 5 when it comes to stunning sunsets here. Oh, and it's windy like nobody's business, but luckily they are cool and pleasant, so that's okay. By the way, this temple is guarded by aggressive monkeys, so one has to be very careful with their belongings. One of the best highlights of the trip was witnessing these beautiful Balinese ladies performing. I mean, the Bali Bali culture and music totally transported me into a Zen like environment, as if I'm in heaven. And then came the surprise. These beautiful ladies performed on Indian Bollywood songs and they wore beautiful Indian attires. क्या मैंने कुछ ज्यादा ही चीजें दिखा दी आपको इस बाली ब्लॉग में लाइक टू मेनी थिंग्स वेल देयर इज मोर लेट्स डू द टूर ऑफ ग्रैंड हायट at Nusa Dua, the hotel where I was staying. What a property, what a stunning property. वेल हेलो, मैं यही हूँ। आप सोच रहे होंगे मैं कहाँ चली गई। आपकी तरह मैं भी ये होटल का टूर देख रही थी एंड आई वाज जस्ट रेमिनिसिंग ऑन द ओल्ड टाइम्स. इट इज डेफिनेटली सच अ ब्यूटीफुल आइलैंड Nusa Dua. और I was having my solo time. In this particular moment, I decided to disconnect, and spend some time. And I remember 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours is what I spent. I didn't even realize the time. It is so peaceful and so private. यहाँ पे crowd ज़्यादा था नहीं, so that was also something that I was enjoying. And यहीं पे I explored the entire island walking by. And now on to the last evening of the trip. It had to be a sundowner. We are at Pantai Malasti, and oh my god, this also is one of the most memorable sunsets of my life. It had to be a sundowner, right? That's how it had to end. I'm at this club known as White Rock, and you are just going to see it now how the colors of the sky changes in no time. It is so beautiful. Do you see that? By far, guys, now I've done Thailand as well, and I can vouch for it that Bali sunsets are amazing. They are just too good. Spending the last few moments of the trip, this beach bum had an absolute gala time. Honestly speaking, Bali was never on my immediate travel list. It just happened, and I'm glad it did because look at it here. It is definitely one of the bestest countries to visit. Always the last woman standing at parties, so we had to shut shop ourselves. एंड दिस वॉज माई फेवरेट आउटफिट जो मैंने सबसे लास्ट में पहना. प्लीज डू लेट मी नो आपको मेरे आउटफिट्स कैसे लगे और ये बाली ट्रैवल सीरीज कैसे लगा आपको. प्लीज डू कमेंट एंड लेट मी नो. अगर पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है अभी जाके देखिए. और मैंने बाली का शॉपिंग हॉल ब्लॉग भी डाला हुआ है. गाइज, आई शॉप फॉर अ क्रोर. नो किडिंग, नो जोक्स. आई शॉप्ड फॉर अ क्रोर. You have to watch all the related vlogs. And if you paid attention, I mentioned that I'm just back from trip to Thailand. I was there for 12 days. तो उसके भी travel vlogs आने वाले हैं. And then there is loads that's coming on the channel, guys. So I definitely need you to subscribe. Show me your love. and like, comment, share. Overall, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? Please do let me know. It is only going to help me in putting up better and better content. Well, see, this is how my life is. तो मेरे लिए ये सब बहुत ही natural है. But if there is anything specific जो आपको देखना हो या बाली से related, if you have any questions, please comment down and I will definitely try to answer y'all. Till then, stay good, stay lovely, and spread happiness and kindness all over. The world needs it. Next up, guys, Thailand travel series begins.